Could you imagine making $10 every 20 minutes over and over and over again from the comfort of your own home? We're going to show you exactly how to do that in this exact video. How to make money online, $10 over and over and over again, and it doesn't freaking stop. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com. Back at it again with another fire-ass video teaching you how to make money online. Now, if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Eric Ellis Jr., obviously, and I'm a serial digital entrepreneur, and I make money online, and I travel the world, and my sole objective of creating content is to teach people different methods, tricks, and tactics to actually make money online so that way they can escape corporate slavery, work from home of the comfort of their own home. This is actually an Airbnb in Malaysia, so I'd say took it up a little bit, and instead of just working from home, I decided to travel the world just to show you guys. Here's my location. I don't know if you guys can see the mountains out there, but it's pretty lit. So with that being said, if you guys like that type of content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and join the freaking family so that way I can help you leave corporate slavery, leave that 9-to-5, and find something online to where you can live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell right now. And now let's get into the content. Now, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go and step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, if you see what we're looking at usertesting.com. Now, how do you get paid? It's very simple. What we're gonna do, guys, there's the platform, there's solutions, there's customers, there's resources. But what we're gonna look at is we're gonna go ahead and look at this at the top right, get paid to test, right? But before we do that, just to see if this is legitimate, who are some of the people that they work for? Now, if you look down below, it says Walmart, Airbnb, Facebook, Alasian, no idea who that is, Institute, Zillow, I know who Zillow is, CVS, right? So these are some big freaking companies that have used user testing to actually help them improve their customer service and their ability to please people, right? Now, what you're simply doing is you're simply taking these tests and giving your honest opinion and your reviews to help improve these bigger companies. Now, guys, why is it important? It's because these companies want to improve their customer experience. So with that being said, they're willing to pay you $10 over and over and over again. Guys, imagine making $10 in 20 minutes. Right, that's $30 an hour for 10 hours in the day. If you really wanted to hustle, that's $300 per day, right, from the comfort of your own home. If you wanted to get simple, right, you could literally make $1,000 in 3 days, chill out for the week, and then enjoy, right? So how does this work? Let's go ahead and take a look. So we're gonna press get paid to take test, and if we press that, right, it's simple. It says earn $10 per test. Visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, get paid $10. Now, if you look down below, how does it work? Get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete, right? Every 20-minute video, $10 every 20 minutes. Guys, that's $30 an hour. As stated before, if you work 10 hours a day, if you're a hustler, you can make $300 per day from home, right? And guys, it gives you a little explainer video. I'm not gonna watch that for your own time, literally a 2-minute video. Go to the website yourself, right? And simply, it shows you all the companies that it works with. What do I need to get started? You need a PC or a Mac or internet connection. Unfortunately, you must be 18 years or older, right? Now, if you wanna make a deal with somebody, if you're like 16, 15, a deal with your sister or your older brother or something, they create the account, you get paid, you pay them something. Guys, get creative, stop being scared, right? And ability to speak your thoughts in English out loud. So you need a microphone because you're gonna need to literally speak your thoughts out loud. And how much money can I make, guys? It's obvious. It's $10 per 20-minute video. So you do the math, how much money you can make. And how do I get paid, guys? You get paid every 7 days via PayPal, right? So every 7 days you get PayPal payouts. And last but not least, is this a scam or is it legit? I did my own research, right? So Money Pantry, very legitimate website for doing reviews. If you notice, this article had 2.2 thousand shares, right? User testing review, scam or legit way to earn money testing, right? So what is user testing? They break down. I already broke that down to you guys. How does it work? I already broke that down to you guys. How much money can you make, right? As I said before, so they're actually confirming that you make $10 per test and they said each test only takes 20 minutes, right? So they just showed you $30 for an hour's worth of work, right? I'm telling you guys this. And basically, is it legit, right? User testing is definitely a legitimate company to work for. It's partnered with some of the biggest brands, Microsoft, Apple, Adobe, to give feedback to websites. Guys, these people value this feedback. They're willing to pay a lot of money, right? And more about user testing, what countries do you need to live in? So what's pretty cool is that you don't have to be in just America, right? A lot of people have been requesting, hey, can you show me things that I can make money without living in the US, right? Stop just being favoritism with the US, right? So guys, you can make this type of money from Africa, Middle East, India, Pacific, Asian Pacific, Europe, Latin America, the Caribbean, Canada, Greenland, and obviously America. So what do I need to be a user tester? We already found that out, guys. So guys, user testing is legitimate. Go ahead and sign up, right? I'll go ahead and leave a link below. It'll be the first link to actually get started with user testing, or actually no, it'll be the second link, because the first link is actually going to be my #1 recommendation to make money online. So the first thing will be my #1 recommendation to make money online. I personally don't do this, but as stated before, I want to go ahead and give you guys different ideas, right? Would I do this if I wasn't making the type of money I was making with my current business model? Absolutely, right? If I was just getting started, I would definitely do this. This is legitimate, and you can make a really good money doing so. But I do something called affiliate marketing, to where it allows me to travel, as stated before, and I make actually a lot more money than $30 an hour. So my #1 recommendation to make money online will actually be the first link in the description. Help you guys leave away from that 9 to 5. Guys, stop clocking in, stop clocking out. Leave corporate slavery. If you're tired of waking up with an alarm clock, guys, I wake up whenever I want, right? I live a life by design, right? I want to help you do the same thing. So click the first link in the description to get access to my #1 recommendation to make money online, which allows me to travel and live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. You're next. It's your time. And if you guys want to do this, I'll leave for the second link in the description. You guys can access to user testing, and you guys can actually take advantage of what I talked about within this video. And if you guys gain value, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell. And a thumbs up really does help. And we're on the road to 25K, guys. 25K, I'm gonna go ahead and hold my first in-person event. I'm gonna go back to the States, and I'm gonna go down and hold my first in-person event. And we'll go ahead and literally show you guys some real tactics to start a real business online. I'll bring in some heavy hitters within the industry to go ahead and drop down some knowledge. So make sure you help me hit that subscribe button to help the freaking mission. I appreciate you guys so freaking much. As always, guys, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.